In core animation, you can move an object from its state of rest directly to a destination using animation. You can also use animation to move an object at rest to another position before it finally comes to rest at a defined destination. Multiple animations on an object can be grouped and run concurrently. Enter basic keyframe and group animations using SwiftUI. The fundamental operating principle of basic animation is that we specify the start value of the property we want to change. To trigger the animation, all we need to do is to update the property by specifying the end value. A keyframe animation consists of a set of target data values and times at which each value should be reached. In this section, we will also dive into how to group multiple animations and run them concurrently. I will show you how the durations of grouped animations, that is the individual animations in a group, can be clipped to the duration of the animation group using SwiftUI. So, I would like you to join me to learn more about different examples of basic animation, keyframe animation, and group animation in SwiftUI.